What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So I grabbed this sun, some sunflowers, coordinating ribbon, and we'll have a quick wreath. All right, let's start with our bow. Now, this bow by itself looks like a hot mess. None of the colors match, and that's okay. The goal is that all the colors match your sun. Give it a good twist. Now on this one, it's going on a grapevine, so I want the loops nice and airy. You can see how they're very loose. We're going to pick a place on our wreath. So for me, this spot right here is a little wonky, so I want to make sure that this is covered up. All right. Now I'm gonna add my sign. All right, gonna get this attached. We're gonna start adding our sunflowers. All right, so we're gonna take our sunflower that's nice and fluffed out, and we're gonna work it right into our bow down here. Gonna add some hot glue. So I want to make this appear longer than it is. So I'm gonna lift up these little tails and get this on the bottom side. All right, y'all, I'm gonna pull some of these ribbon tails down into the flowers, pull some flowers into the ribbons. All right, let's dovetail. I'm gonna use some 60919 for my filler. All right, fluff that out. Get a little bit of hot glue on there. Boom, done, quick, nice and easy. Bye, y'all.